The next type of list that we'll be looking into is the ordered list or the numbered list. Let's go ahead and create a new subsection, ordered list. I will also be adding some text. In this section, we'll be exploring ordered list. We compile. Note that if you do not have to keep hitting recompile every time you edit .text file, you can go ahead and select autocompile on. The reason why I like to keep autocompile off during this lesson is merely because I want to type in the code and then manually recompile so you can see the changes what this particular section of code is doing. It'll be hard for you to keep track of both what's happening in .text and the PDF side by side. However, when you're working by yourself, you can turn the autocompile on. Coming back to ordered list, we need to create an ordered list environment. Again, we start with begin. Whenever I say environment, you should think about begin and end commands. To this, we will give the input as enumerate. Begin enumerate and end enumerate, thereby defining the ordered list environment. Once we have the ordered list environment, the same basic principles of unordered list apply here. Each time we need a new numbered item to be added, we use the item command. First entry, item, second entry, item, backslash item, third entry. If I recompile now, you can see I now have a numbered list. Now, based on the input that we give to the begin and end commands, that corresponding list will be created. Now, if I want a fourth entry, like so, fourth entry, we need to head over to our enumerate environment in our .text file and add backslash item fourth entry, recompile. Perfect. A new entry has been added. Similar to unordered list, OLEAF and other local text editors will give you this kind of shortcut. You go to the location where you want the numbered list to be present and then go up to this toolbar here and click on the numbered list. As you can see, the enumerate environment has been automatically added for you with an item command.